Yeah. It's cryptedblg here. Your crypto enthusiast.
Today, we are going to discuss how to create a Binance account or wallet. Click on the link in the description to go to this page. Now type your email and password to begin sign up process. After the Create Account button is clicked, you will get a window like this, where you will have to complete this puzzle to continue. Now you will receive a mail with a verification code. Copy and paste the verification code here. If you would like to know more about this exchange, click on Start to Learn button. Read everything properly to have a good knowledge about it. To go to Dashboard, go back to the previous page and click on Go to Dashboard. Now you are in the dashboard. A security verification pop-up will appear. Choose any one of these methods to increase the security. I prefer Auntheticator. Open Auntheticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code using Auntheticator app. Click Next. A verification code will be sent to your email. Copy and paste the verification code here. Now type the code from Auntheticator app, and submit. Your Binance account is ready. Here you will be able to access all of your wallets. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to get our daily updates.